Hey YouTube, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to Construction 305.
Okay, YouTube, if you want to see how we remove a structure and build another structure in its place, stick around. Today on Construction 305, you'll see how we use this Kabuto excavator to remove a family room off of this structure, and in its place, we're going to put a two-story. After removing the addition, we hit water. Because we're sitting a few feet above a water table, the water seeps up through the ground. Never to worry. XO Construction is 20-year general contractors ready to build any type of foundation. As you can see, the engineer recommended to put crushed stone in the foundation and compact it well. The dump truck driver left the stone right here. We moved the stone into the foundation, compacted it, and got it right up to our grade, and everything was moving right along. After soil treatment and consulting the building plans, we were ready to start the monolithic foundation. So now YouTube, you can see that we've undermined the concrete foundation, the slab, and we're about to pour concrete on number 5 rebar doweled into the concrete foundation. You can see that we've covered the foundation as a vapor barrier with 6 mil vapor barrier to cover the dirt so it does not wick water through the concrete. And just because I like the color blue. The whole heap of steel ready to connect with the concrete. Everything proper. Rasta builder. And me have my ball head over there going with things too. You see me I say? Yeah man, look how we things shot. Down in a man, look on steel. Yo, look on that. Tie up. You ready for your addition? Call the big old, bad old XO Construction. Oops. Look there. Full of steel. Right, so don't use a millionaire, boy. I mean, use millionaire now. Will you have a 10 more million? You will tell them, man, I'm not this structure. I'm getting them right now. Oh. Morning early, we gave the video when we just did a scene, plastic. But now, guess what happened? Concrete chopping night. Ready for them again. Big old, bad old XO Construction to the world. See my sidekick the Tracy. Right, mommy, good evening. This is my video to show you what I want on the construction site. Real man machine, you see me? So, I saw it go right now. Up in our belt there. Yeah, right around. Right? Yes, sir. I want more of what this. See how the concrete of it show? Things are going. Around there, sir. And then we're gonna go up. Set into the second floor now. way it roll. And look at the most important thing on the side. Right round here. Go around here, sir. And look there, sir. It says Exo construction to the world. See? From blueprint to actual concept, Exo construction is here for all your building needs. This is Exo construction, the best. Trust work is happening today. Check it out. This is called the second floor. Now standing in the second floor addition. This is a monster construction. Take the time and view one of the best names in construction. We are the best. If you're interested in having your home upgraded to a second floor, addition, or any other, please call the best, Exo Construction, for your pleasures. Strong. Ready. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day. Good evening to the world. This is the big old bad old Exo construction. Look on it, good, read it. Yeah. Right now, I want to give you an update. Show you how the thing set right now. Longer time. So this is the second floor. This is the second floor. I run just like that. Window, 3 windows in a one. You understand? Second floor go on. This is the first floor. As you may know, down there says the first floor, all things. We deal with that already. But this is how the second floor shot. Round here, sir. It has a little wall detail there, sir. To bring up the little edge of the wall. We shot him already. See the big old Exo machine down there, sir? Alright. And this is the way it looks from the front. Big old beam. See the big beam there where we did build. And everything proper. You don't know. It is again properly done. Executed to the max by the world famous Exo Construction. So should you run out of space at your location and want to go vertical, remember, Exo Construction has done it all before. This is what we do. We build it. Big old, bad old Exo Construction to the world. Talk up to me properly.